got a question about how to make the best use of today's exam results. So let's say that you get your score back, you have a published released exam. So they give you the PDFs of the exam and you can look at all the questions you got wrong. Here's the thing about analyzing these results. Yes, there is just one question. There's just one exam, really. You have a sample size of one exam, 100 questions, one score, one data point. Let's say you got a 165 and you got, I don't know, 15, 20 questions wrong, something in that ballpark. And you had even a bit more that you were unsure of, or guessed, but you still got lucky and got it right. What do you do in that situation? Well, first of all, remember, it is just one exam. It's not a large sample size. Yes, it has certainly slightly higher validity because it is a real exam that you took under proctored conditions. But at the same time, it's not really enough to make any sort of judgment on. Let's say any given exam might have a handful of sufficient assumption questions, might have a half dozen necessary assumption or flaw questions, and you got a couple of each wrong. It's not that many questions. And some games show up on one exam, but not another. Certain tough reading topics might show up once in a blue moon. And so the fact that you did especially well or poorly on questions of those types might simply be based on the fact that there were those specific ones. You have a much better indication of your true score and where you stand if you have a larger set of questions. If you have 3 exams, 5 exams, 10 exams, and you analyze your results on all of those, then that'll put you in a much better position to analyze where you stand and what your weak areas are. Weak areas are not always just the questions you get wrong. They're also the ones that you get right but have difficulty with, the ones that you got right but could have answered more efficiently. And so analyzing this exam a few weeks from now, you might not remember all the details of where your mind was at. Unlike when you do a practice exam at home or on your own, and then you are able to look at that specific exam and review it that same day or the following day when you remember all the specifics of your situation and where your mind was at and where you were at in terms of how you slept, what else is going on in your life, other distractions that might impact your score in one way or another. So today's exam results, useful, even if you take the exam and it's unreleased by LSAT because they want to reuse it or something, then it doesn't really matter too much. This exam is just one data point out of all the timed practice exams that you've taken. And you want to analyze or average the 5 most recent or so to give yourself the best chance of where you stand.